tunu na hian ni ter kan man thei tu chi sap tronga soidan kan zero don ani a heng te hi ria imang thiam ani pot chuan step khatin mai som tin ani ang longai thate le min thank you tin lom thu soita se engtin kan lo chan le tang mizo chuan peipo le tin kan chang maya sap trung chuan heng te zingai du ber hian a chan thei ani my pleasure. It was my pleasure. That's all right. Please don't mention it. Delighted I was able to help. You are most welcome. Mi tu ina mathil ti an deal sia ilo phal sakta a engtin nge sap tungin kan soyang phalna emo rimti na emo tongka in pek dan chu heng te hi an ne. Yes, of course. Certainly. By all means. Go ahead. You can if you want. You have my permission. I can't see any objection. Panina let ling chia thil phal lo na lam thung ilo se le do ni la kan rem ti lo thu sap trung a soidan te chu heng te hi an ne. I am refusing it. You can't. Sorry, it's not possible. I'm afraid it's not possible. Permission will not be granted. I won't let you. Tuyam mone anin bia atu soi sha fu lei thei tlat lova engtin nge pula itakin soi thale tura itiang heng te man thei ane. Sorry. Come again, please. I'm sorry, I did not catch it. What do you say? I beg your pardon. Pardon, please. Tuyam mone anin lo in beta ibiak pa khan isoi kha ashiat thiam le thiam lo sha du ta ni engtin nge isoyang eng te man te e. Do you understand? Do you know what I mean? Do you get it? Have you got it? Do you follow? Is that clear? Do I make myself clear? Sum nei lo mi ra thei chelei la de lo ni ta ira thei zia kha engtin nge I thian te shilang heti hian isoi don nia. I am broke. I am flat broke. I am dead broke. I don't have a penny. I don't have any money. Polite taka mi na tho zo dan ilo zir le do ni la kan thian char thar chu ana tho kan zo du ani chuan heng te man the. What is your occupation? What do you do for a living? What do you do? What line of work are you in? How do you earn your bread and butter? Titi na te, tu soi na te mo, interview na te. Kan ril ruha dan soi tumin, ka ngay dan chuan, ti in, sap tungin soi du tay la, eng ti ngay kan tiang, heng te man te. In my opinion, in my humble opinion, in my view, I believe that, I feel that, it is my feeling that, it is my opinion that kan mel shet te kholaya tok thut tai la andam thale thatlo engtin nge kan zong heng te hi man the. How are you? How is it going? How are things? How have you been? How are you doing? How is life treating you? Chen nu tong thei zet mai thuruk ze play thelo ilo nei ta nang la chu thuruk ze play thelo ve pok ilo ni ve thova thuruk pakhatin ya isoi cholo chon ipok ke don tlat hian in ria I chen nu chu I hril ta engtin nge tu nena ma hril suam che ti in sap tung in sei da kang hete ngin sei don nia. Keep it to yourself. Don't tell a soul. Better keep quiet about it. This is for your ear only. Just for your information. Khang an zir ta kha post la screenshot la yum na muna khan nang ma nge khan ari in ilo practice thin don nia.